Mayday, 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 Charlie 1-4 Papa, cargo fire. We are leveling off.
Charlie 1-4 Papa, Mayday copy.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. In this intense Boeing 777 simulation, we're going to experience a forward cargo fire warning just after takeoff from Doha. We're going to analyze the emergency, run the checklist, make a critical decision whether we're going to land in Doha or divert somewhere else, handle ATC communications, and more. This video is going to put you in the cockpit of a realistic emergency scenario showing how pilots manage high pressure situations. Whether you're an aviation enthusiast, aspiring pilot, or just love flight simulations, this is a must watch.
Charlie 1-4 Papa, your TFL pushback facing west on Whiskey 1.
Please set parking brakes. Unlocking gear. Two channels disconnected. Bypass pin removed.
Charlie 1-4 Papa, taxi at Whiskey 1, Juliet, hold short of taxi where Lima 1, and contact tower 118025.
Charlie 1-4 Papa, you're cleared for takeoff from the 34 left after departure 119725.
Charlie 1-4 Papa, direct position Baton, climb flight level 200.
Mayday, 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 Charlie 1-4 Papa, cargo fire. We are leveling off.
Charlie 1-4 Papa, Mayday copy.
Alright, let's do the fire cargo forward checklist. It says smoke is detected in the forward lower cargo compartment. So cargo compartment consists of a smoke detection and a fire extinguishing system. When a smoke is detected, a fire warning occurs. Pushing the arm switch arms the extinguisher. Pushing the cargo fire discharge switch, it discharges 2 extinguisher bottles and the remaining are discharged at a reduced flow rate. After this, we need to set the landing altitude to 8,000. This basically minimizes the extinguishing agent leaking out of the compartment. So let's evaluate our situation. It says planned at nearest suitable airport. It means in terms of time. So I took off from Doha. I know the weather in Doha. I know the performance in Doha. I'm aware it's an overweight landing, so 3-4 right is good in case I have to land overweight. Now depending on where I am, I'm going to turn left and divert to Doha, but depending on the position where you are, you will have to choose a suitable alternate where you will use as a diversion.
Charlie 1-4 Papa, we understand you are diverting back to Doha for runway 34 right. We will have all assistance available when you land.
So I'll quickly finish the overweight landing checklist, decide the choice of flaps, and at this time I will communicate with the cabin. I will ask them if there's any smoke in the cabin, if the floor is running warm or hot, because that'll decide if there's an uncontrollable fire. I would rather land on 16 left with tailwinds rather than 3-4 right and save some time.
Charlie 1-4 Papa, you're cleared to descend 3,000 feet.
So now once you're fully ready, there's a good time that you can inform your passengers, you can inform the company as well. So they are waiting for you when you land and they can assist the passengers for their next flight.
Charlie 1-4 Papa, change to tower 118525. Bye-bye. Charlie 1-4 Papa, you're cleared to land on 3-4 right, and emergency vehicles are ready for you.
100, 50, 30, 20, 10.
Ladies and gentlemen, hope you enjoyed this video. Drop in your comments, let me know what decision you will take. Where will you divert? What runway you're going to choose? I'll be happy to hear that. And yes, do like and subscribe to my channel and for more such videos. Bye bye.